Hello everyone. Okay, let me just check my audio. Yeah, I think it's good. Okay, can someone confirm if my audio is good? Hello everyone. Okay, yeah. Hi, hello Epic, hello Gansham, hello Vikram, hello Sharat, hi Van, hi, hi Kishore, hi Sai, hello guys. Okay, a lot of people are joining. Let's just give 2 minutes and then we can get started. It's been some time, right? It's been some time I came live on this channel. Today we'll talk about questions that you have. We'll talk about anything like you can ask me about DevOps, cloud, AI, or the current trend, the future. I can help you with whatever I know. But yeah, let me just check my audio and video first. Okay, yeah. In the meanwhile, you can comment. You can just tell me if everything is looking good. Okay, I think this is better. This is much easier for me. All good. Okay, cool. So we are all set. I'll start with picking up the questions. Okay, so I'll take this first question. Tell me a very good book to read each and everything about GCP and AWS. I don't think you'll find one book which will cover both GCP and AWS. So first of all, that is not possible. And yeah, I'm definitely not good at reading. Like I don't read a lot of books. So I'm not the right one to suggest you. But generally I saw orally books are good. So if you seriously want to consider reading books, then you can check orally. They have some good books. Is the playlist enough? 100%. Every Monday the success stories that you see are from people who have followed those playlists. So playlists are definitely good enough. Like you don't have to go for anything else. What makes it different buying a book or watching the videos? Like, see, I cannot read books. So it depends on you, right? So can you read a book? Can you watch a video? Can you read a blog? Like reading a book is like very overwhelming for me. Like I cannot sit read so many pages. I prefer reading blog. I prefer practicing things. So yeah, it depends on your personality. Yeah, my voice is little off today. Like I hope that's not too disturbing. When is Escape Batch launching? For the members of the channel, I think they already have the idea. But yeah, so we are planning to go beta live very soon. So we will start with beta live, where initially few people will be onboarded to the platform. Because put the platform, once we put the platform out, definitely there is going to be a lot of people who are going to try it out. So we don't want a massive disruption to happen. So that's why we will go beta live first, which is very, very soon. I'll announce on LinkedIn probably tomorrow. Um, so we will go beta live and then we'll go the actual live. But I'll not keep you waiting for a long time. Beta live will be only for like 1 week to 10 days. Then the platform will be open for everyone. Okay. For switching to okay, somebody asked, I want to be a beta tester. Beta will only be available for the members of the channel. So whoever are the members of the channel, who are a part of our Discord server, only they will have access to the beta because In beta, we are going to take a lot of feedback. That will be also on the Discord server. So yeah, if you are a member of the channel, you can get access to beta. Yeah. For switching to a better DevOps job, is learning Kubernetes essential, or is there any other tool or technology that could provide better career opportunities than Kubernetes? Okay. I hope again, like my voice is bit off, so I hope it's not disturbing. Thanks, bro. I've joined. Okay, I'll just reply to the previous question very quickly, or I'll come back to that. Thanks, bro. I've joined Infosys as a DevOps engineer by learning from your channel. Transition from system administrator to DevOps engineer. Anil, thanks for sharing. These kind of posts, right? It will not only motivate me, but also people who are watching the channel, people who are live on this live stream. See, this is a testament, right? Anil watched the videos. Anil switched from Infosys to, switched to Infosys as a DevOps engineer, previously in a non-DevOps background. So why can't you do it? You can also do it, right? If Anil can do it, you can do it. Okay, let me pick up the next question. How to search DevOps job? I'm 2026 batch out or pass out. Okay. See, this is one question that a lot of people have. Often people ask me, Abhishek, there are any platforms other than LinkedIn, or there any platforms other than Naukri or uh, XYZ platforms? See, LinkedIn is a best platform today. If you have a good LinkedIn profile, you don't have to go anywhere. Even if you're a fresher, you are experienced person, LinkedIn is the best platform. Okay, so then local platforms like Naukri, they are also good enough. How to get Kubernetes experience without actually working on it? That's not difficult. Like, let's say you want to get experience on Kubernetes. Let's say you haven't worked on Kubernetes. What you have to do? You just have to do projects related to Kubernetes. Fortunately, there are not hundreds but thousands of projects today. Even if you go to our Kubernetes playlist, you will find projects. Go to our AWS playlist, you will find the projects. Go to Azure, you will find Kubernetes projects there. If you do those projects, you will have good Kubernetes understanding. You can easily clear the interviews, and even in real time, you can work on Kubernetes because you will gain that much of knowledge. Yeah, also there are platforms today, right, that can give you manage Kubernetes for free. So, you can get manage Kubernetes, Kubernetes with GPU for free, right? So go there, use those platforms. You might get Kubernetes access for 1 to 2 days. Make use of it, understand how Kubernetes works with GPUs, how Kubernetes works with CPUs. Um, if you want GPU, I'm planning for a video like Kubernetes with GPUs. You will get $300 for free for using that Kubernetes cluster with GPU. You can use it, practice it. Yeah, I'll take a note of it. I wanted to do that video, so I'll just, because you reminded me. See, this is a good thing. Talking to you people, I'll also remember a lot of things. So I'm quickly taking a note. Kubernetes GPU free access video. Perfect. Okay, let me see how quickly I can get that video out for you. How do you maintain consistency? I'm currently preparing for interviews, but I'm not consistent daily. See, there is one thing which is very generic. You can only be consistent if you love what you're doing, right? That's the problem. Why people are not consistent to gym? Everybody wants a good shape, right? But they don't love gymming, right? Nobody wants to go to gym every day. Nobody wants to exercise every day. But everyone wants to be in a good shape. Same thing, you know, you want to get a good job, but You don't want to sit in the interviews. You don't want to learn. You don't want to practice. You are doing it because you want to get a job. The moment you start liking DevOps, the moment that you start loving DevOps, then you will automatically be consistent, right? That's the only thing. Like, make your learning interesting, make your practice interesting, uh, make DevOps interesting for yourself. Then you will be consistent. How to get AWS badges? Which badges are you talking about? I don't remember I have any AWS badges. What's the biggest architecture decision you have changed your mind on after seeing it fail in production? And what lesson did it teach you? Okay. What is the biggest architecture decision you have changed your mind on after seeing it fail in production? And what lesson did it teach you? Failing in production, like initially when I joined, back then I used to work for TCS. When I was working in TCS, yeah, there were times where I was involved in production and I terribly messed up with production environment. I took some decisions without uh, talking to management, without talking to the senior officials. I cannot say officials, but seniors to me in the company. The decisions were good. Luckily they went in the right way, but then the feedback that I got from the management is, I cannot make those decisions. Then I learned about hierarchy, then I learned how organization actually works. Probably that's the best thing that I've learned. After the production failure, I learned how to work in a team, uh, how to take. I mean, fortunately the decisions went in the right way, but it is also possible they can go in the wrong way, they can create huge impact for the client. So I think that is one lesson that I've learned. You just asked, that's one thing that came to my mind, so I just told you that. But why channel? Thanks for asking. How to be in love with DevOps? I work on Windows. Abhi, that's a good question. Um, if you're in Windows, probably the best thing that you can do, start using WSL. I think that will change your perspective on DevOps because the traditional Windows terminal is very boring. On top of that, when you look at traditional Windows laptop, they don't also support a lot of Linux, Unix commands. So probably install WSL, install right DevOps tools on your Windows machine, then maybe you'll fall in love with it. Thanks for asking. As complete fresher, how to prepare and get DevOps job. We have a playlist on the channel. It's called DevOps Engineer in 3 months. It's a complete fresher, experienced person. Anyone can go through it. Basically, what I've done in that playlist, I've covered everything right from basics. Okay, right from zero, you can start with that playlist. And every Monday, I keep sharing that motivational post, right? All of them follow the same playlist. Hi, is Intune is good for future for freshers. What is Intune? Intune. Let me quickly see what is it. Intune. Is it a company? I don't know. Uh, when I search for Intune, I just see something called Microsoft Intune, often referred to as config as code. Not really sure. Probably have to go through it. Preparation for scenario-based questions while working on projects. Please guide me. While working on projects, yeah. Uh, for scenario-based questions, see, how can you answer scenario-based questions? Okay, let's talk about it. Probably interviewer asks you a scenario. Your Kubernetes cluster. is failing with, or your pod in the Kubernetes cluster is failing with crash loop back off. Why does it happen? How will you fix it? Right? This is a question that interviewer asked you. Now, there is no way that you can actually sit in production if if you're not a DevOps engineer, right? Let's say you're learning, you cannot sit in a production environment. No company will give you an opportunity. So what can you do? The only thing that you can do is practice the real-time projects, right? There are so many real-time projects out there, right? I have real-time projects on my YouTube, on my Udemy. Other good people also posted on their YouTube channels. Not only my channel, you can also check out their projects. Practice those Kubernetes projects. While practicing, you will run into issues. In fact, you will run into crash loop backoff. You will run into image pull backoff, image not found, container configurer, OM killed. Now, understand why are you running into those issues. Troubleshoot. Go to ChatGPT, go to Reddit, come to our Discord server, ask questions. You will get some answers. You will fix it on your machine. You can explain the same things in the interview. But instead of saying, I ran into this issue, you can just say, while working in my company, I ran into this issue. That is how you answer scenario based questions. There is no special mantra, right? Nobody is given opportunity to solve production issues. Like none of the learners, none of the ones who are switching from non IT to IT, non DevOps to DevOps, everybody is doing the same thing. They are practicing the projects, they are running into issues, they are solving their issues, and they're explaining the same issues in the interviews, right? I hope that is clear. Any update on Escape Bash? Waiting for that one. I shared the update, probably you missed it. We are going beta live very soon. I'll probably post it on LinkedIn or other platform tomorrow. Once we go beta live, then we are going to go actual live, probably in 10 to 15 days. But beta live will only be available for the members of the channel. Tier 3 fresher left backend for DevOps AWS stack. Okay, good. You are a tier 3 fresher. You left backend for DevOps and AWS, but you're stuck. Oh, okay, you are stuck. I thought it is stacked. Okay, but can you be little elaborate? Like when you say you're stuck, what do you mean by that? Are you not finding resources? Are you not understanding a specific concept? What is your problem? Ayush, I'll wait for your reply and see. Okay, Dhruv is saying, I've cleared 4 rounds and submitted my documents, but another technical round is scheduled tomorrow. Am I still being considered? Yeah, that's a good news, right? See, what happens a lot of times, people ignore you. Like recruiters don't even reply back to you after all your interviews are done. But here they are actually considering you, they're asking you for another technical round. That means they're interested in you. Probably it can be a light technical round, it can be a technical round with a client or the senior management. So don't be worried about it. You already cleared 4 rounds. There will not be anything different in the technical round. In fact, if you are confused, you can call HR and ask, what is this technical roundabout? They'll definitely give you a clue. Hey Abhishek, even after understanding the concepts well, I struggle to explain the implementation challenges in the interviews. How to how can a learner gain exposure to real industry level problems? See, as I'm telling you, there is nothing like that. Like when you are a learner, nobody will give you real industry level experience. They will give you like what people like me can give you is projects. What people like me can give you is some scenarios. That's what you have to do. Like you have to exaggerate those scenarios. This is where your skills will come into picture. See, I can give you Azure DevOps project with the best of the infrastructure available, probably on AKS with API gateway, with CI/CD pipeline, right? Uh, Azure Managed Kubernetes Cluster. I can give you all of that with Azure Repo. But end of the day, it's your responsibility to present the project in a way, right? Watching the video, learn, understand, then exaggerate the same thing. Like you have to say, I did the same thing in my company, and you have to convince the interviewer. First time, interviewer will not be convinced. Give two interviews, give three interviews. Try to explain yourself. Like, okay, interviewer is going to ask me this question. After 10 interviews, honestly, you will already know what interviewer is going to ask you. Like, if someone says this, even after 10 interviews, I don't know how the interview is going to be. Trust me, you're fooling yourself. After 10 interviews, you already know what is interviewer going to ask you. Only thing is, you have to convince the interviewer by telling your story or by selling yourself. How will you convince? Explain the same thing again and again to yourself. Maybe there is a project, you know you are going to explain that project. First of all, convince yourself. Okay, this is the project. Then you will have some questions for yourself. Answer those questions. Okay, probably this is what interviewer is going to question me about. This is where interviewer is not going to be convinced. I'll explain this better in this way. That's all. Practice, repeat, and eventually after 5 to 10 interviews, you will get better at it. So first 5 to 10 interviews, don't get worried. That's it. Oh, so many questions. Let me quickly go there. Swarupi Reddy is Swarupi Reddy. Thank you so much for joining as member. You can also join our Discord server. I'll quickly share it here for people. You know, a lot of people ask me, Abhishek, how do I become a member of the channel? You just have to, you can use this link. I'll paste it here. I'll pin it as well. Okay, let me do it right away. Oh, even I'm trying to do it. There are so many messages. Okay, cool. So, this is the one. I'll even star this message so you can find it. So if you click on the join button, you will become member of the channel. You will have some perks like there are extra videos for the members of the channel. On top of that, you will get access to our Discord server. On the Discord server, you can keep asking questions. Like you can create a thread, you can ask how many questions that you want to me. I'll reply. I'll reply in 2 to 3 hours. Sometimes I reply instantly as well. Right? So this is our channel. Once you join, you can join our Discord server. I've started this message. You can also find it in the description. Okay, now is it possible to get a job on AWS, Terraform, Jenkins, Git, GitHub? Without Kubernetes, it's very difficult. Sujit, Sujit Suresh, I'll be very honest. Your skills are good, but along with that, try to add Docker and Kubernetes. Then you are definitely ready for an opportunity. Can you do a video how actually end-to-end tools used from developer push code to deployment in Kubernetes? All are in automation scripts and YAML, not manually. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Avinash Shetty, I think you haven't seen our Udemy project. Just search for Udemy Abhishek.Veeramalla. You will find Ultimate DevOps project. That is what I explained in that project. Abhishek.Veeramalla Udemy. If you search for that, you will find Ultimate DevOps project. There you can see end to end. It's like almost 10 hours project, and you will find right from developer point of view to DevOps engineer point of view. Have you even worked with bank servers? I worked for a bank. So there is a bank in Europe. It's called ABN AMRO. It's a very sorry. So it's a very popular bank. It's a Dutch bank, Netherlands. So I worked as a DevOps engineer for them. I used to manage the servers. I used to take care of the deployments for them. So yes, like if you have any question, you can ask me. Like I worked in a very compliant environment. Hi Anna, 2.5 years of experience in support role. Should I move to DSA or DevOps? Move to DevOps. Like if you're already in the support role, then you can easily move to DevOps, right? Why do you have to learn DSA? Why do you have to get into a development position? Um, like your support experience is very relevant here. So you can move. After completing 3 months course, should I move to Udemy course? And when I'll be able to apply the jobs? So far, everything is going well. Previous experience is full stack developer. Yeah, yeah. After completing that 3 months course, Udemy course, you will not take a lot of time. You will just take 1 to 2 days. It's basically for the interviews. Okay. If you complete that 3 months course, you are already ready for the interviews. You can start applying. But Udemy course is basically for you. Like you can explain what exactly have you done in your project, explain about your project, tell me about your DevOps day-to-day activities. All that I have covered in the Udemy course using a project. Like not verbally saying all these things, but I took a real-time project, an e-commerce project, and I've explained everything in that project. Like what will be your day-to-day activities, how will you work on this project as a DevOps engineer? That is what I've covered there. Okay. Okay, good to see people asking a lot of relevant questions, in this live stream. Like this time I'm finding very, very useful questions. But yeah, unfortunately, my voice is not supporting. Please bear with it. I'll try my best. Like I see, I don't know what to say. When people says like, look at this comment, selfish. He only answers super chat and channel members. Like if you see the questions that I answered, I just took one super chat question. Like, see, if somebody is giving a super chat, like it's a courtesy that I take their question and I answer the question. But if you see rest of the questions, I'm not even looking at who is a member of the channel. In fact, I like, I'm randomly picking up the questions. I think we are 20 minutes into the live stream. Techfire, go back, see how many questions that I answered, how many people are channel members, how many people are not channel members. You will realize. Channel members already talk to me on the Discord server. They'll barely ask questions here. Anyways, okay, let's not waste the time. What's the 3 months course that Wasim is talking about? Bhagyaraj is asking this question. Okay, let me quickly show you Bhagyaraj. Like, just give me 1 second. I'll open my YouTube channel uh, on the other, on the other screen. Okay, uh, 1 second. Okay, now let me share my screen. Share screen. I love. Yep. Okay. So you're able to see my screen, right? If you see here, this is our channel, and if you click on the playlist, you will find like here, you will find something called DevOps Engineer in 3 months. Just go to this one, Bhagaraj. So everything is in order here. Right from day one, this is 150 videos. All the videos are organized. Once you complete all these videos, like you are ready for DevOps interviews. Day one, day two, day three. First, we will cover DevOps fundamentals. Then we'll cover networking fundamentals. Then we'll cover AWS fundamentals, Terraform, Python, monitoring, I mean the observability, and finally some AI projects as well. Everything is covered. You just have to go through this one. So this is called DevOps Insider in 3 months playlist. Previously, people used to look at date roadmap on our channel. That is exactly same. Like individually also you can go through the playlist. Like you can individually go through the DevOps playlist first, then AWS or Azure, then Terraform, then Python. then some real-time projects. You can do it manually. All those playlists are also available. But let's say you don't want to take that effort, you don't want to individually go through each of the playlist, then you can come to this DevOps Engineer in 3 months playlist. There are no videos in it. I mean, there are no new videos in it. All the videos are existing. I've just organized them. That's the only difference. Okay, cool. Thanks for asking. I think a lot of people have this question. Bhagaraj, thanks for asking. Uh, Hi Anna, will I be able to secure a job after 4 to 5 years gap since graduation if I pursue DevOps or cloud development, and where to start it? Please answer this question. Thanks. Praniti is asking this. Pranitin, see, where to start? Same thing. Just start from the same place. DevOps engineer in 3 months. Even if you go to the courses tab, I think you'll find it. Just go to the courses tab. Okay, it's not in the courses. My bad. Go to the playlist tab. In the playlist tab, 1, 2, 3, 4, it's the fourth one. DevOps engineer in 3 months. In the brackets, date. This is where you will start. Okay? All the videos are in that playlist. Now, the second part of your question, you have 4 to 5 years of career gap. See, Indian market is very different. In Indian market, when you say you have a career gap, recruiters are little hesitant. Even the hiring company is little hesitant. So you have to figure that out. Like one option, you can freelance. Like you can say you are a freelancer. In the last 4 to 5 years, you were working as a freelancer. If they ask you, you can talk about our Udemy project. You can say, this is what I did. I worked for an e-commerce company. This is what I did as DevOps engineer. These are my day-to-day activities. You can talk about it. Cool. I hope I answered your question. Okay. Saurabh is asking this question. I'm a DevOps engineer. Mm, I work at a startup, I guess. Which AI, cloud, and DevOps skill tool should I focus on to stay future ready and grow faster? Okay, let's pick up one by one. AI, you can use AI agents, right? Like on day-to-day basis, you can go with Claude, you can go with Codex, Copilot, it's up to you. But AI tools, like in DevOps space, for security, there are very good AI tools. For example, SonarQube. SonarQube is doing great with AI. You can go with it. Like they're adding a lot of new AI features. Then, when it comes to cloud, you can stick to AWS or Azure. In fact, new cloud platforms like InSforge, they're also doing very good. And when it comes to DevOps skills, the same skills, Linux, Git, Docker, Kubernetes, observability, one cloud platform, Python, the same things. Only thing is, use the same skills, but start using them with AI. Like, how can you integrate NI10 into your regular day-to-day workflows? How to use like NI10 is good enough. You can pick up one workflow automation platform, use it with DevOps, right? Same skills, but use it with AI. That's the only thing. Hannah, I have a second round AWS Cloud Engineer interview. Okay, very good. I have a second round AWS Cloud Engineer interview for 2 years experience. Can you please provide some tech plus managerial interview questions for guidance? See, when you ask for interview questions, right? Let's say tomorrow you have the interview. Now don't look for interview questions on the internet. Not even go for my DevOps interview questions guide. See, I have a DevOps interview questions guide, but I'm saying don't go through it because there is a reason why I'm saying don't go through that. If your interview is tomorrow or if your interview is scheduled in like 1 to 2 days of time, better thing is go through the job description. Okay, give your job description to ChatGPT, give your job description to Claude, ask it to act as an interviewer, see what kind of questions is it framing. Most likely you will get similar questions. Okay, so that will be your interview questions. My bad. Roadmap for AI ops. Who is asking this? Uh, Inch, I'm in JYT. Okay, very unique name. Engineer Aming YouTube. I think that's the one. Um, okay, Engineer Amin GYT. Basically, we have AI Ops roadmap on the channel. You can follow the same roadmap. Like search for Abhishek.Veeramalla AI Ops roadmap, you will find it. Just go through the roadmap. Okay, cool. That's nice. Hi, sir. You missed my super chat. Tier 3, no opportunities. Worried about placements. Uh, I totally feel your pain. Ayush Care Pandey. See, even I come from a tier 3 college, but back then things were different. Like I'm talking about 12 years ago when I was sitting in the interviews. Even then, there were very less opportunities. We used to try off campus. Probably, Ayush, that's the best thing to do. See, if your college does not provide you opportunities, why don't you create an impressive LinkedIn profile? Why don't you attract recruiters to reach out to you, right? That's the best thing that you can do. Okay, whenever there are off campus opportunities, go with it. But otherwise, do this. One, create impressive LinkedIn profile. Two, start attending local meetups. See, local meetups are absolutely free of cost. You don't even have to pay a single penny. Let's say you are in Hyderabad. Just as an example, go to LinkedIn, search for Hyderabad CNCF group, or maybe go to Meetup. There is this app called Meetup, right? So go there, see AWS local meetup group. Just search for that. CNCF local meetup group, Kubernetes local meetup group. Even in the tier 2 cities, even in some tier 3 cities, today we have these local meetups groups. They are actually very good. Like for people like you, for freshers, go there, interact with your seniors, and especially they are also from the same area, so they can help you. They can help you with some opportunities in their companies, and probably they can recruit you as well. So attend local meetups in your area to build a very impressive LinkedIn profile. Okay. Who is this? Shrill Streak 77. Thanks for asking. We'll work you on bare metal servers from DevOps perspective like Linux, configuration management, Terraform. Have any good scope for future career growth? Yeah, definitely. Like bare metal is very difficult. Like if you're working in bare metal with all of these platforms, trust me, you have more and better experience than people who are working on cloud. Only thing is that this is a very niche skill. Like not a lot of companies today use bare metal. So you just have to adopt to the latest technology. It's almost the same. Like if you're using bare metal, I'm sure you must be using something like OpenStack, right? So in OpenStack you have specific terminology for compute, for networking, right? For creating the virtual machines. If you look at AWS or Azure, they are also nothing but on bare metal, they have their software and they are providing these services. You just have to get used to these services. That's it. Okay. So to answer your question in one line, definitely you have equal and more opportunity. Don't worry about it. Okay, let me ask you one thing. Like whoever are giving the super chats, right? Uh, you know, Sai Teja is giving the super chat. Shrill Streak is giving this super chat. Kia, thanks everyone for giving the super chats. But instead, you can join as a member of the channel. Almost for the same cost, you can join as a member of the channel for 1 month and you can talk to me for one whole month. Like you can ask your questions, you can create threads, you can ask n number of questions there. So, like, okay, if you are interested in giving the super chat to the channel, I'm very thankful about it. But instead, you can put your money onto the channel membership and you can join our Discord server. Just sharing my thought. Okay. Hey Abhi, I cleared my final Airtel Senior DevOps round. This wouldn't have been possible without your guidance and support. Thank you so much. Wow, Rahul Kushwaha, congratulations, buddy. Thanks for sharing it here. See, people whoever is watching this, if Rahul can do it, you can also do it, right? So go for it. And let's congratulate Rahul. Rahul, once again, congratulations. Thanks for sharing it here. Thanks for motivating people on this live stream. And Airtel is a great company. So all the best for your uh, senior DevOps role at Airtel. I'll try to share this on Monday motivation as well, Rahul. If possible, share it with me um, on my Gmail or share it with me on LinkedIn. I'll tag me on LinkedIn. I'll definitely post it. Cool. Let's pick up new questions. Yeah, I'm just going through the questions. Can we expect Ultimate DevOps course? Bro, we did Ultimate DevOps course. Oh, okay. Can we expect Ultimate DevOps course of Udemy in YouTube for free? See, there is a catch. If you have a project on Udemy, you cannot post it on YouTube for free. Then they will remove your project from Udemy. So, like we have other projects, right? So you can go through that. Chetan is saying, clear two DevOps interviews just because of you. Thanks for your support. But position went on hold for both interviews. Oh, Chetan, so sorry to hear about it. But see the good thing, look at the good side. You have cleared two interviews. So it's unfortunate that those positions went on hold, but I'm sure you will get a new position very soon. Um, my best wishes. And soon I would like to hear that you have cleared the interview and you have joined the company as well. Hi Abhishek, I'm a freshman. I need a job. How should I get the job? See, for all the freshers, people are commenting, I'm in second year of my college, I'm in third year of my college. I'll give you one very good suggestion. Take a note of it, follow it right from today, right? The best suggestion, if you are a fresher, if you are in second year, third year, spend half of the time that you spend on Instagram on LinkedIn and see in just 3 to 4 months of time. Now, you will wonder the change that has happened to your life. You will wonder looking at the difference. Just spend half of the time. Like I'm not even asking you to not to spend time on the Instagram. Just spend half of the time, like probably 2 hours a day on LinkedIn, and you will see what people are doing. You will connect with the right people. You will build the right network. And one day you will see a message, someone reaching out to you. Hey, Purna, you are doing great job. I would like to learn more about what you're doing. I looked at your GitHub profile. I looked at your LinkedIn profile. And, I want to see if you are interested in an interview with us. Trust me, 3 months of dedication with LinkedIn, you will definitely see this message. Sorry. Sorry about it. Okay. How to join the Discord server? See, I'll again quickly show it. If you are a member of the channel, Mausam is asking this. Mausam, if you are a member of the channel, just do this. Just go to the channel. You will find this membership tab. Usually people won't find it. Only members of the channel will find it. So if you are a member of the channel, click on the membership tab. Just scroll down. You will find members only videos. Keep scrolling down further, or um, like there is one issue here. Sorry. Where is it? Just give me 1 second. Oh, okay. Probably there is some issue here. You should see member. Yeah, yeah, this one here. Sorry, my bad. Um, my bad, Mosam. So if you're a member of the channel, just go. You will find this membership tab, and as you, I mean, just scroll down. You will find members only videos. Then you will find this one here, 24 by 7 DevOps support. There are instructions here how to join our Discord server. Just follow those instructions. That's it. You will head to our Discord server. Perfect. If you still can't, there is an email ID. You can send us an email and we will add you. But mostly by following those instructions, you will join our Discord server. Cool. Thanks for asking, buddy. Oh God, a lot of people are active. 11:30 in the night. A lot of people are very active. Nice. That's okay. Uh, Let me pick up more and more questions. Escape Bash update. We are going beta live very soon. This is the update. You will find more updates very soon, but the latest update, we are going beta live very, very soon. Members of the channels will be using the beta of the platform. Then in 10 days of time, or little more than that, the platform will be live for everyone. Okay? But yeah, very soon everyone will have access to that platform. Hi Abhishek, how are you? How is the market right now? I'm doing very good. Market, you know, market is very uncertain at this point of time. People are still trying to figure out is, um, you know, people are still trying to figure out is AI disruptive? Is AI just a tool for the engineers, or is AI going to replace software engineers? There are a lot of questions about it, right? Personally, I think. AI is just going to be a tool, at least with the advancement that we have till now. Looking at even models like Fable, AI is a tool. You still need human in the loop. If not, we would have, we would have been somewhere else till now. But yeah, still there are a lot of things that AI can't do without human intervention. So it's a tool, and good news is that companies are realizing it. Today, if you see, a lot of companies again started hiring engineers. It can be in the role of FDE. Uh, like people have these fancy names, right? Companies have started calling uh, these fancy names FDE, forward deployed engineer. Google is hiring 1500 forward deployed engineers. Meta is hiring uh, thousands of forward deployed engineers. Microsoft is hiring 6,000 forward deployed engineers. That's the good news. End of the day, anybody can be forward deployed in Snare, right? So yeah, this is my take on the market. Vikrant, thanks for joining. Sorry, Vikram, thanks for joining as member. Can you get my question? Yeah, I'm trying my best to pick up everyone's question. Uh, See, I don't know if you are seeing it on the live stream, but there are so many questions. In fact, I enabled the slow mode, so one person can only post one question in 60 seconds, but still, I'm seeing a lot of questions. By long time no see. What is Discord server? Bro, Discord is just like a messenger. We have Discord server. What do you do in the free time? Okay, good questions. Like these are like refreshing questions. In the free time, I just like to play anything. Like I like to just play outdoor games. Only like I'm not into indoor games. Whenever I have free time, I just want to go out, play some outdoor games. It can be cricket, it can be football, it can be pickleball, anything. Like just for just for refreshment, just for taking some time out, spending with time with friends. I would love to do that. Oh God, this is an interesting question. Let's see. Hi, I have an interview with Google for FD, Forward Deployed Engineer Level 5. I'm an ML engineer, mostly worked in this industry. What cloud technology should I learn? Like IAM, GKE, etc. Obviously, if you are interviewing with Google, Kia, you should go with GKE, Google Kubernetes Engine. because that is what they are going to ask you on. And like cloud technology, go with GCP, Google Cloud Platform. Like the best thing that you'll do today, after this live stream, go back to ChatGPT or go back to Gemini, ask Gemini what are you know top 10 Google Kubernetes services that FD engineer should use or should learn. I think you would probably see IAM, you would see the compute services, network services, storage services, GKE, you would see Cloud Run. Just learn those 10 Google services and you should be good for the interview from cloud point of view. Otherwise, if you want to learn more about FDE role, I have roadmap video for FDE. I have a project, end-to-end project on FDE. Please check that out as well. Especially if you have 30 minutes of time, check my FDE project. Newcomer in this field, learned AWS from your videos, now learning Azure in class, feeling Azure is harder than AWS. There is actually nothing like that. Um, I don't know which classes are you going through. If you have already learned AWS, Azure should be easy. You can also check Azure from our channel, right? I'm not sure which class are you going, but check Azure videos as well. You will find it easy, not very difficult. Kia, how to connect with you? I'm the member of the channel. Kia, as I told you, um, because you are a member, go to the channel. You would see this. Go to the membership tab. You would see this. You will find this 24 by 7 DevOps support community. Click on it. You will find the instructions. Just follow the instructions, and I'll see you on the other side. Hi Abhishek, I'm Praveen. I'm working in Wipro company for Google Client content moderation. Present, I have 8 months of experience. I started DevOps course. When I got Java, when can I get DevOps engineer as a fresher? I think that's your question. See, you just have 8 months of experience. I would say wait for 3 more months or 4 more months, then start giving the interviews because 8 months of experience is very, very less. People would question like, why are you switching in just 8 months of experience? So please wait. Unless like you really don't like what you're doing there. Pratyusha, hi Abhishek. I prepared last year for Switch. Due to health issues, stopped studying. Now I forgot everything. I'm confused what to restart. Is it AI or restart your 3 months course? Please guide. Pratyusha, don't worry. This happens to the best of us. So just restart with 3 months DevOps course. You don't have to go to AI. Just go to the 3 months DevOps course, refresh everything, and you'll be good with it. See, the good thing is you're refreshing things. You're not learning things from zero again. Ooh, ooh. Is hero to zero DevOps updated? Bro, it's zero to hero. It's not hero to zero, but yeah, it's updated. Don't worry about it. It's always updated. Like I keep it updated. Sparrow, Sparrow is here. 6744. Thank you so much for your videos. I got two offers. One is from TCS, another is from Infosys. Infosys giving higher package than TCS, but I'm transitioning from support role to DevOps. Which one? See, Infosys and TCS are almost the same companies. They operate in the same way. They do the same thing. So go with whoever is providing you the more package. Cool? Okay, there are a bunch of updates here as well, like from the membership tab as well. Uh, let me quickly go through those questions as well. This is interesting. Uh, Saksha is asking, hi sir, I'm a AI developer at Infosys with 1 year of experience. I've gone through your playlist date, but I can't build up my own projects. I rely on video-based projects. How should I proceed and freelance how to start? Like if you go through the date playlist, you can find projects as well. Let's say you're still finding it difficult. Saksha, I totally understand. Just, I'm sharing my screen. If you go to the playlist section, right? Just go to the playlist section. You will find this section one. So this is one AI DevOps projects. If you click on this, there are DevOps projects related to AI. Like I think there are 7 to 8 projects here. But otherwise, there is also this one called real-time projects for DevOps and cloud engineers. Overall, like if you look at this one, this has 35 DevOps projects. And if you look at this one, there are 7 projects. So only on our channel, we have more than 40 projects. Just go through those projects and build your own ones. You can take them as reference, you can take them as inspiration. Okay, quick round. It's me only. Thanks for joining as member. Um, Bila Bilolos Mani, thanks for joining. I think you have been a member. Kia, thanks. Madhusudan, thank you so much. Vikram, thanks, buddy. Okay, let's go back. We are more than 300 people. It's almost like 11:30. Great to see so much energy, guys. What is the fresher salary for DevOps engineer? Just with Wipro, 1 year of experience. What is the fresher salary for DevOps engineer? Just with Wipro, 1 year of experience. Hmm, I think Wipro. uh, See, I worked with TCS almost 12 years back. Back then, I joined with 3 lakh salary, um, like 3.2 to be precise. That's my first CTC, 3.2. I think at the most they must have doubled it. This is just my guess. I haven't spoken to people who are working as freshers in Wipro or TCS for a while now, but I'm guessing at the most it must have doubled. So probably, your salary would be 6 lakhs or something. What you can expect is 40% hike. So you can try up to 10 lakhs, right? That should be your expected salary. Yeah, but yeah, please excuse me if my guesses are wrong. Maybe Wipro, TCS, and Infosys. I'm not sure if they have hiked the prices so much. Aishwarya, salaries, hike the salary so much. Sorry. Aishwarya is saying, thank you, Abhishek. I joined company as a DevOps and cloud engineer with all your guidance and the core support. Thanks a ton. Thank you so much, Aishwarya, for sharing it here. Super happy for your success. All the best. The Alpha STR, thanks for joining us, member. Okay. Anna, existing DevOps, which is better to choose, FDE or MLOps? Okay, you are already a DevOps engineer. Your natural transition would be MLOps engineer. Okay, that is your natural transition. But look at your region. Let's say you're in Hyderabad, you're in Bangalore. If there are less MLOps opportunities, you can try FDE as well. See, relatively, learning FDE is much simpler. Like if you ask me which one is difficult to learn, MLOps is difficult to learn or FD is difficult to learn. I would say MLOps is difficult to learn because there are so many things that you have to learn. But what is FD? Forward deployed engineer. If you're working as a DevOps engineer, I'm sure you have experience talking to your customers, not customers, but you have experience talking to your management about observability. You have experience talking to your management about customer issues. You must have seen L1 issues, L2 issues. Now, FD engineer is someone who sits between companies like Microsoft and their client. Who is the client? Client is someone who wants to onboard Microsoft services onto the client environment or onto their environment. Typically, Microsoft AI solutions. So anybody can do this. Only thing they have to learn, What are AI agents? How to use AI agents? How to build Microsoft solutions, Google solutions, OpenAI solutions. That's it. So yeah, your natural transition is MLOps, but if you can't find MLOps opportunities in your region, just learn FDE. It will only take 1 week to 10 days of time, like on the surface level. If you have opportunities, then spend more time, maybe 1 to 2 months, and you can transition. Ketan is asking this. Hi Abhi, searching for job as experienced guy from 1 year, and in starting got some calls, but now not getting calls. So market is bad or what? I struck mainly in scenario based questions. Many time. Okay, see, first of all, we will talk about scenario based questions. We'll definitely get there, but before that, see what is your problem. You're not getting the calls. I'm still sharing this, is it? My bad. Very sorry. Okay. So, first of all, what is your problem? Your problem is that you're not getting the interviews. So, you should fix that first. Okay. If you're not getting the interview calls, something is bad with your LinkedIn, something is bad with your Naukri profile. So, try to fix that first. Then you can think of scenario based questions. At least you should, at least you should get 2 to 3 calls for 15 days. I'm talking about calls from the recruiters. Out of that, at least 1 to 2 should turn into the interviews. Will PG diploma in Canada in DevOps for cloud computing add any weight for my resume? Yeah, yeah, it adds weight for your resume, but the big question is how much are you spending for it? That's the most important question. If you're spending so much on it, I would say don't go for it. If you're only spending less, or if your company is sponsoring it for you, if someone is sponsoring it for you, then go for it. But otherwise, like the PG diploma programs, they would not add like super extra value to your resume. Instead, do some projects, do some certifications, they're good enough. I'm saying this because I know like the PG diploma programs are very expensive. Unless your company is sponsoring it, why do you want to do it? When I used to work in one of my previous companies, they used to, they used to pay or they used to reimburse for this diploma programs. Okay, we spent good amount of time today. Hi, could not connect my YouTube to Discord. I'm fambling in interviews. Don't worry, Kia, can you just send me an email? Kia, you can send me an email or you can talk to me on LinkedIn. I'll help you to get into our Discord server. Don't worry about it. I'll make sure you are there. Okay? Just drop an email. You can find my email on the YouTube channel or even on LinkedIn. Okay, so we spent good amount of time today. It's almost over 1 hour. So thanks everyone for being very patient. Thanks Alpha for joining us member as well. So that's all for today's live stream. I'll try my level best to keep this live stream, um, frequent, at least more frequent. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section, or probably if you still have any questions, connect to me on Discord, and yeah, keep supporting the channel. See you all in the next live stream in the next video. Take care. Bye everyone.